everyone, I want to show you some of my latest Temu finds that I absolutely love. The first one is this scrunchie. It's high-end looking and it was a steal because on Temu you can find so many things for such great prices. I think it pairs really, really well with this smiley face hoodie. It is a nice thick hoodie that is great for the winter months or for even a cooler fall night. To help get my hair up into this half up style, I got a whole bunch of these cute little smiley face hair ties. I order all my hair ties from Temu. I buy them in bulk. That way I always have one around, and it definitely gets my thick hair up into any style very easily. My hair tends to get really tangled really easily, so I ordered this wide toothed brush from Temu and it glides through my hair very easily. I used it to achieve these kind of loose curls for this hairstyle. This is great for wet hair detangling too. I also ordered this nice little set. It's really inexpensive. It came with a good teasing brush, which has a nice pointy end. It came with this little teeny tiny toothbrush-like thing, which is good for getting any flyaways back into your hair. This comb is great for when you need to part your hair to make braids. Speaking of braids, I ordered all of these little ponytail holders. They're super cute with little pom-poms on the ends, and these are going to adorn the ends of my braids soon. The brush set also came with these little clamps, which are good for putting back different parts of your hair while you're curling or straightening other sections. Since the theme of this look is kind of, you know, smiley faces, I have a smiley face on my ponytail holder, a smiley face on my sweater, and a smiley face on my hand. I ordered these little temporary tattoos, which are little smiley faces, and you can stick them on your hand and remind yourself to smile during the day. Another cute look is this Happy Friday sweatshirt. Oh, you can wear this on your casual Fridays as a teacher, to school, or at the office. And I'm going to pair it with another scrunchie. So I'm going to take out this fabulous scrunchie, which I love, but it doesn't quite match this outfit. And I am going to add this big, fluffy pink scrunchie instead. And ooh, it's just super cute, fluffy, ruffly. I love that. It matches my Friday shirt. If you like claw clips, you'll really like this next product. This is a bow claw clip, which I love so much. For second day hair, I will often take this claw clip and I will pull my hair back into kind of like a high pony. And then I will twist my hair to form like kind of a messy bun. And then I'll take that claw clip and I stick it on the side there. Now I have this messy bun hairstyle, all thanks to Temu. If you haven't shopped Temu yet, check it out. Download the app and see all the cool things that they have. I could spend hours and hours and hours browsing to see what other cool hair things I could find like this, which I'll show you how to use in another video. To see all my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment if you've tried Temu and love it as much as I do, or if you just have another kind of question. You can also shop the post, carolinsbloomingcreations.com, and get a discount for Temu items using my code. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!